Hey y'all, how are you today? And today we're gonna be as an admin. And yeah, we're gonna be an admin and I'm not as rich as you think, but it doesn't matter. So let's do this. Where is it? So most of the people should be already RPing, if not probably off-roading. But what I'm here to do is my job is basically help them out, locate where they're at, and yeah. But there is a free way to get gold since the vote now is here. Okay, he's probably like, what the? Why didn't you take care of this slime? Yeah, I'm just for fun. Ow. But anyway, y'all, I don't know what just happened, but I seems like he's having problems with his trailer. Since I can't use help, but I can't. Sometimes it does that. No, he ran away. Ooh, that's not nice. It seems like he's already RPing. Looks like a unit. Don't do it. Don't hit me. I said don't hit me. Okay. Now you're on my bed. Let me see. Maybe. No. Sometimes it will show that you can actually get on his trailer. Got murdered. Sorry, I haven't told you since. We'll get up my room. Shoot. Okay. This is bad. We have flatbed. He's like, what the? How did that admin just stop me? My name is admin. But anyway, I'm gonna buy a trailer. But I don't know why his name is We Have Flatbed. So yeah. Let me see if I can get on his trailer. Anyway, Tim. I left that color on that truck. For some reason, I will buy one. Just a little bit of color. Wow. Yeah. Tell me what you think about this truck. It has the dual axle. It is basically an RP. I don't know. It's basically an RP truck, just lifted version. Mostly in some more videos about the weather. Hey, do you even plan this out? Nope. I don't know how I take that. Can we look at this? Okay. Where's this over here? I am the admin, so you shouldn't be around. Okay, so you'll be doing this Hey, don't leave. You sit here with the first other. We work together. I'm coming. I'm about to cry out. Yep, we're working together. Seems like there's another unit here too, right here. Why are you guys away from? Turn off your lights. Okay, so okay, well, I'm just gonna